So what are you building?
I'm building this awesome sweet Baja Truck.
Oh yeah? Now what did you start with?
What did I start with?
Yeah, what was it originally?
I started off with this chassis first.
I know, but what car was it? What was the car before you took it apart and started making a Baja Truck?
It was an old,
Was it a Camaro?
no. It was this Lego Octane Racers pickup truck and the Lego Speed Champion Chevy Camaro.
Oh, you combined two sets to make what you're making.
And it's going to be super cool when you first look at it with your own eye.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So what is your favorite thing about Legos, buddy?
My favorite thing about Legos is when I get to build it and when I get to make creative things.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Do you make a lot of your own creative things?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
And clearly, the most important part is do not add too many pieces or the truck will get too heavy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Very cool.
So it's looking pretty kind of good. Just thinking of some ideas. Just thinking of some ideas for the under bumper.
Okay. So, what is your name?
Paul Tomes,
How old are you?
11.
What do you like about Legos?
Like I said, they're so cool. They're so cool and awesome.
Yeah. What else?
They're easy to build and sometimes easy to snap on pieces.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Keep going. Keep
What
telling me.
else? Oh, well, this is easy.
I know. What's your favorite thing about Legos?
My favorite thing about Legos is when I build.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like building the things following the instructions?
Sometimes.
Or do you prefer to build on your own?
Prefer to build on my own.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm a master builder, you know.
Oh yeah? That's awesome.
I come up with these crazy ideas in my head, and I make the instructions in my mind.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we'll check back in when the truck is built.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon. Sorry. Hey guys, my name is Paul again, and this is also what I kind of built so far.
Alright. Keep building.
I'm gonna give it no hatch, and I'm gonna give it a little small antenna using a lever. Alright, I'm gonna keep building. And I hope you like my truck when I'm finally done building.
Save on your next car with USAA car buying service, powered by TrueCar, exclusively for USAA members.
No.
Our guardians have evolved. We can run them from anywhere, make them greener in 72 hours, drop them and wash them blue. They're 5-star workers. No reason. Mulch its color all year long. These guardians are the next generation of blue. Bring on spring with moisture-retaining Vigoro organic soil for $3.88, exclusively at the Home Depot. More safe, more serious. Has to be organic. Carries certified by 3.14. Now, maybe try to
brother had to pause and restart the whole video again because my dog was so yappy and stuff.
How goes the building?
My building's actually doing okay. I got the front bumper made. I almost got the rear windshield. Nope, it's not gonna have a rear on the seat at all. And I made the wheels too. Sorry, it doesn't have independent suspension. Yeah. So my car's actually doing pretty okay.
They're gunning their fish right there in the seashore. So what we're literally seeing is fish guts from space.
Yeah.
See blood on the sand.
So I thought if I like to do a little more building.
From animal slaughter. But have you ever seen signs of murder? The investigation switches from satellite image analysis to crime scene forensics. California-based blood spatter analyst Tina Young steps in.
The whole image looks very suspicious. There's what appears to be quite a volume of what looks like the characteristics of blood. It's
Sorry.
worthy of an investigation.
If it's blood in the image, what could have caused the pattern it makes on the jet? Tina conducts 3 blood spatter tests to find out.
One will be a splash pattern. I will hit this blood and pour it on the floor. And the second will be an impact pattern. I'll hit the blood with the mallet. And the third will be a transfer drag. And I'll use a cloth to drag through the blood.
There we
What we've done here looks very similar to the satellite image. It looks like a splash pattern, possibly also an impact, and it does look like a drag pattern was created.
But Tina's test cannot confirm whether the stain on the jetty is blood.
In order to tell if it is blood, there would be tests that would need to be done at the jetty.
We may have found this initially with several things, but there's no way we're going to know what happened for sure till we get boots on the ground, get a CSI team out there, and take a look.
The impossible challenge: build the world's largest power station.
Is a sensor that works on the so-called...
Hey guys, I'm actually done with my Baja truck. You want to take a closer look at it?
Sure.
Here it is.
Huh? Very cool. And now you said that started at what was the kits that you made that out of?
I made it out of Lego Octane Racers pickup truck and the motorcycles, and I made it out of a Lego Speed Champions 2016 Chevy Camaro.
Cool. So you combine the 2 kits to make a Baja race truck, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude. Nice job.